Swarm learning is an innovative approach in machine learning that utilizes decentralized networks and collective intelligence. It has the potential to revolutionize various industries by driving significant advancements and changes. This presentation will explore how swarm learning can impact sectors such as healthcare, finance, manufacturing, transportation, education, and energy. Swarm learning can enhance the healthcare industry by enabling more accurate diagnosis and creating personalized treatment plans. By analyzing vast amounts of medical data, it can identify patterns and risk factors for various diseases. This technology allows for improved access to healthcare services, especially in remote areas, through remote patient monitoring and telemedicine solutions. Swarm learning also plays a crucial role in drug discovery and optimizing clinical trials, leading to more efficient hospital operations and better patient outcomes. In the financial sector, swarm learning enhances predictive analytics, helping to detect fraudulent activities and identify market trends effectively. It can improve the assessment of credit risk, streamline loan approvals, and automate trading systems, resulting in more sophisticated investment strategies. Swarm learning can optimize manufacturing processes by enhancing production efficiency and quality control through real-time data analysis. By identifying bottlenecks and minimizing downtime, it enables predictive maintenance and optimizes supply chain operations, improving inventory management accuracy and reducing costs. In transportation, swarm learning revolutionizes route planning and resource allocation by analyzing real-time data, leading to efficient delivery routes. It also enhances predictive maintenance for vehicles, preventing breakdowns and ensuring smooth operations within the logistics sector. Swarm learning can personalize educational experiences by tailoring materials to individual student needs, thereby enhancing educational outcomes. Additionally, it supports peer-to-peer learning, fostering collaboration among students and reducing the administrative workload for educators through efficient grading systems. In the energy sector, swarm learning optimizes energy consumption and enhances grid management by analyzing energy usage data and predicting demand. This technology leads to better load balancing, minimizes energy waste, and improves the integration of renewable resources, enhancing overall system reliability. In conclusion, swarm learning has the potential to transform various industries by making them more efficient, accurate, and adaptable. Its impact on healthcare, finance, manufacturing, transportation, education, and energy can redefine their future directions. With the power of decentralized networks, swarm learning offers immense potential to revolutionize how industries operate and tackle their challenges.